Okay, this is the video for the appendicular skeleton. Okay, the first thing we need to identify will be the clavicle, the acromial end, and the sternum end. This is the clavicle, This is the acromial end, and this is the sternum end. The next thing we need to identify will be the scalpel. I kind of have my scalpel kind of color-coded so I know which parts go with which item. The corduroy process will be located right here. The subscapular fossa is located right here. The glenoid cavity is located right here. The spine is located right here. The acromion is located right here. The supraspinatus fossa is located right here. The infraspinatus fossa is located right here. The sternoclavicular joint is located right here. And the acromioclavicular joint is located right here. Next we have the arm. And on the arm we need to verify the humerus. This is the humerus. Next we need to verify the humerus head. This is the humerus head. The lesser tubercle is located right here. The greater tubercle is located right here. The deltoid tuberosity is located right here. The medial epicondyle is located right here, medial. The lateral epicondyle is located right here, lateral. The question is the corduroy process, what goes in here? It goes into the trochanter, and the capitulum articulates with the radial head. The trochlear articulates with the olecranon, and the olecranon fossa states what goes in here, the forearm. So those are the answers to those questions. Next, we are to identify the olecranon. This is the olecranon here, followed by the coronoid process, which would also be located in this vicinity as well as the styloid process would be located in this vicinity as well. Next, we have the carpus, which is the hand. And here's the hand bones. They are color-coded accordingly so that we can verify them. So we have here starting proximal row left to right. I'm sorry, proximal row lateral to medial. We have the scaphoid, the lunate, the tricural, the pisiform. That would be this row right here. Next, we have the distal row lateral to medial. We have the trapezium, the trapezoid, followed by the captate. And next we have the hamate, which will be located right here, the hamate. After the carpus, we have, this is the metacarpals right here, and then we have the phalanges. Metacarpal phalanges. Followed after that, we have the pelvic region or pelvic griddle that we have to identify items on. It says the coxal, the hip bone, the entire hip bone. That's located right there. Next, we have the antebellum, which is actually, we don't have a bone here, but it would be located in this area right here. Next, you have the pubis symphysis, which is located right here. After the pubis symphysis, we have the otropital forearm. And that's located right here. Followed by that, we have the iliac crest, which is located right here. After the iliac crest, we ask for the anterior superior iliac spine. That would be located right here. After that, we have the iliac fossa, which would be this area right here. The iliac fossa would be this area right here. After the iliac fossa, we have the greater the greater sciatica notch, which is located right here in this area, the greater sciatica notch. After that, we have the ilium spine, which is located right here. And followed by that, we have the ilium tuberosity, which is located, let me just verify. Located right here as well. Followed by that, we have the femur that we're going to identify parts of the femur. So we will verify the femur right here. We'll go off the back side of the femur to verify these particular items. And the first item we're going to verify is the femur head, which is located right here. Followed by the femur head is the greater trochanter, which is located right here. Followed by the greater trochanter is the lesser trochanter, which is located right here. Next, we have the abductubicles. And those are located I'm unsure. I didn't label those, unfortunately. Followed by that will be the medial epicondyle, which would be located right here, medial. Then we have the lateral, which is located on this side, followed by the medial and lateral, the medial condyle and the lateral condylus. And then on the front side here, we have the patellar. After that, we have the tibia, and on the tibia will be this side, right? This one right here. This is the tibia. And on the tibia, really quickly, I will do a part 2 to this video, but right now we're going to try to grasp the tibia part. So on the tibia, we have the medial and lateral condylus. The medial will be right here where the green is, and the lateral will be right here where the purple is. So medial, lateral, followed by the tuberosity. which is right here. Next item we have is the medial malleolus, which is down here, the medial malleolus. Medial malleolus, followed by the proximal and distal tibio-fibular joints, which are located right here. This is the proximal, and this is the distal joint. Proximal, distal.